as I described the concept of the absurd hero कि बिना सोचे कि कल को क्या होने वाला है, without having that expectation आप काम कर रहे हो. इतने सारे लोग काम नहीं करते. If we had that mentality as a society, हम सही में काम कर सकते. To the point, let's say अभी climate change की बात कर लेते हैं. अब hypothetically, let's say 100 years में sea levels will rise and that will mean the doom of half of human civilization. Let's just say hypothetically, I'm not a climate scientist.
Yeah.
But 100 years बाद शायद से मैं और आप दोनों नहीं होंगे. तो it's less of a priority now. But this is about the future of the human race.
Yeah.
होगा नहीं होगा मेरे एक्शन से, मेरा एक पोस्ट लिखने से कुछ होगा नहीं होगा, मुझे नहीं पता. And that's the important point. If I'm expecting कि अभी क्या हो गया ना, we want things to happen instantly. There's that one thing. And there's another thing about that, a little bit of selfishness, that I want to be associated with my action. अगर मैंने कुछ किया है तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि उसका मुझे credit मिले. But and that's how the world is designed and media feeds that into us, but that's not happening. And this is because of the butterfly effect. भगत सिंह ने कभी कुछ किया, I am inspired right now. अभी हमने ये conversation करी, अभी 10 years from now, maybe a sliver of this conversation resonates with you, and you're at a moment where you have to decide you want to be a hero or not.
Yeah.
And now you get to do that. You get to either be a hero, you get to stand back. Somebody else 100 years from now, because of that action, through the ripple effect, through the butterfly effect, now they are getting inspired by you. So why this holds merit is that हम expectation अपने human mind के according जोड़ते हैं कि हमें ये चाहिए, उसलिए ये काम करना है. रख लो, आप वो गोल रख लो. Don't expect it to be fulfilled. Work towards it, but it's so unpredictable कि होगा नहीं होगा, we really don't know. Have that open mind and have that clarity कि हो सकता है कि मुझे आज से 100-200 साल बाद उसका credit ना मिले. Because the way the world is interconnected, the smallest of things are giving us inspiration every time. वो बस लक की बात होती है किसको कहाँ क्रेडिट मिल गया, किसको कहाँ ना मिल गया. There's hundreds, thousands of more Bhagat Singhs who we'll never know. Maybe more powerful writers. लक की बात थी कि we got to know about him.
इसमें we were talking about climate change, right? In the very first conversations of this podcast, I spoke to a person who runs his sustainability consulting firm. So we were deliberating on this issue of climate change कि 1.5 degree Celsius भी मतलब breach हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा warm हो रही है यार. तो मैंने पूछा कि यार but as individuals क्या कर सकते हैं? ठीक है, मतलब there's a lot that industries and governments and people can do. So my thoughts currently on it, from my little experience of having conversations with people, just put it out there, is that yes, as individuals we cannot do a lot, which is a fact.
Okay.
मैं चाहूँ कि अपने अंदर की optimistic side से ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हाँ यार आप करोगे तो फ़र्क पड़ेगा, but the reality of the matter is कि definitely फ़र्क तो पड़ेगा, but जिस speed से हमें चीज़ें होनी चाहिए for earth to not be a lot worse, वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट है ऑन द पीपल हु होल्ड पावर, विच इज़ अ फैक्ट. बट एक स्टोरी जो मेरे को याद आ रही है जो उससे बहुत रिलेट करेगी टू द पॉइंट दैट यू ऑल्सो मैंशन, दैट देयर इज़ अ बर्ड. एक जंगल है, वहाँ पे आग लगी हुई है और सारे जानवर जो है बाहर भाग रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो वो बर्ड क्या कर रही होती है, पास में नदी होती है, उसमें से पानी अपनी चोंच में भर के आग पे डाल रही होती है, राइट. तो कोई उसको पूछता है कि तू कितनी बेवकूफ़ है, तेरे को पता है कि तेरे से नहीं बुझेगी यार ये. सो शी इज़ लाइक आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि नहीं बुझेगी. पॉइंट ये है कि जब आज से 100 साल बाद हिस्ट्री विल बी रिटन, आई विल बी स्टेटेड एज द बर्ड हु कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू स्टॉपिंग द फायर, राइट. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट दैट. इफ यू एंड मी आर not throwing a wrapper, we are not essentially saving the jungle from being burnt. Point is, we want to be that righteous person, and we want, do you or do you not want to be on the good side of history and do on the good side of things is the point. So, and I think that is inspiring enough for say you and me or for people listening to be that. It's a good enough reason to not do something that has a worse impact.
Yes,
right.
Definitely.
So that really struck a chord जो
Hmm.
ये story मेरे दिमाग में आ
And
गई.
this is my religious mysticism professor. He's like a guru to me. His name's Nathaniel Mael Yepes. And he narrated the story of Absurd Hero. Why he came up with this concept is through a Sufi story.
Okay.
And the essence of which was that मान लो 11:59 हो रखे हैं अभी, 12 बजे दुनिया ख़त्म होने वाली है. And the best thing to do at that point is to have the intention to plant a tree. In a minute, you put the seed down, put it down there. The world is ending or qiyamat aane wali or whatever is happening. That tree is not going to bloom into a lovely tree. It won't ever give us fruits. It's absurd. Yes, you're having that intention still to do the right thing. Nobody's going to remember it. But that's the entire point. Ultimately, if you're looking like thousands of years up, like beyond the human consciousness, billions of years from now, we are living in a materialistically deteriorating universe.
Yeah.
The universe is collapsing every single moment. Does that mean that we stop everything now? Ki kuch hi na kare? It's absurd. He has to do any act of heroism then. Just to even live life then is absurd then, because it doesn't even matter. But it does. It really does. Each and every action does matter. Now, maybe spiritual, maybe scientific, but I think there is a reason that when people are, the more selfless someone is, the happier they are. The more somebody is giving, neurologically their minds are changing. The more you're trying to just help other people, talk to them, just be there for them and have honest and pure intentions in any way possible, the more connected you are to everybody, and that just radiates. So there has to be some reason for that. Maybe evolutionary, maybe divine, who knows.
Fascinating conversation, bro.